metal. Oh, bracelet. Ooh, I turned it around. It's got all the bling on the back. Oh, don't know if it's missing any rhinestones. The ones like right there that you think it's missing, but they're clear. It's a clamper style bracelet. Let's see if it's marked on the inside. It didn't appear to be. I have my magnet over here. Let's stick to the magnet. It might be brass or copper. Just by the feel of it, it's really heavy. That's really nice. See if that'll fit me. Probably will. Yeah. It fits me nicely. That's beautiful. Beautiful, y'all. Here's a stretch bracelet, but it's really pretty. This would be nice to have a necklace like that to match it. It's not stretched out. Really nice. Heavy. Oh, here's something on the card. What's this? Premier Designs. Oh, I've got Premier Designs before, but I've never got them on the card. What is it? Oh, it looks like a little cowboy Cupid. Isn't it? Premier Designs Incorporated. Still on the card. Awesome. I'm liking this bag so far. And you guys, I'm not going to tell you what I paid for it, but it was a really good price, okay? Like, I've already made my money back. Let's just put it that way. I've not even really dug into it. Oh, I always say this, and I really mean it. I wish I could wear these. I love bangle bracelets. I used to collect them. Send them around baskets around my house, and some of them, I had some, always trying to find backlight. I used to decorate with them. And this one's really pretty. See how that's raised up, that engraving, and then it's got that white, or that cream color, like over it. Not too much wear on it, but see, I can't get them past this part of my hand. Oh, to have small hands, you ladies who have the small hands. This is a piece of, oh, somebody made it. It's like a piece of material with some cloth beads. I don't think I'll save that. It's really dirty. Okay, what else? Should I dump some of this out? Or you can't answer me right here. This is actually neat. I've had one of these before. I had like a couple of these. A black and white one. Black, white, and white one, yeah. This has a tag on it, actually. I think my last one did. Let's see if we can see what it says. Well, that's a new one on me. Anybody ever heard of Bauble Bar? Seriously, B-A-U-B-L-E-B-A-R. I went for the books. I'll look that one up. Oops, I'm not ready to knock stuff over. But it's like the chain, like chain link. It's plastic. It's that clear, and then the like milky white, and then white. It's pretty neat. It's interesting. We'll look that up. Bauble Bar. Remember that. Okay. I don't want to cut this bag because I like using these bags. But it's kind of like getting in my way. I always get a lot of these. I don't know if anybody likes these. They're seed bead. They're nice for people like me who can't get... Whoops, there's something piggy banging on it. That can't get regular bangles around their wrist because you just go... Whoop. This is a pretty one. Black and silver tone. Nice. Ooh, sorry, I had to pump my back. Stretchy bracelet, some metal beads. Matte gold tone. I really need to pause and go get my, I'm going to pause for just a second. I gotta go get my table because I'm running out of room here to put my stuff. And I go, oh, it's jewelry. Okay, guys, I'm back. I was looking up that Bauble Bar. You know, that necklace we just got that said Bauble Bar on the tag. Ooh, sorry for that going yellow. I don't know why it did that. But anyway, I think I need to turn on my other light. But anyway, ooh, it's going yellow in the background. What is it doing that for? Oh, probably because I'm holding the thing like this. Anyway, it's a site. It looks like it's a site. They have their own website. And I put in chain link. And this is what it came up with, the gold one. Their prices are not cheap. $48 for a necklace. So, hell yeah. I looked on Poshmark. They're reselling this for about $22. Some of the necklaces. So cool on that one. Okay, quit being yellow. I don't want that other light on. Okay, anyway. So let's continue. Sorry about the squeaking, like I said. Can't help it, it's my thing. Here's a bangle. Gold tone. Really good shape. I think it feels plasticky. Okay, I'm gonna get some of this out and put it here because I'm like running out of space. That's the only way we're gonna get into some tanglies. Ooh, maybe I'll just pick. Let me just pick. Ooh, I see something. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that's the hand of God symbol. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, look at that pretty. Look at that filigree and it's gold tone. Ooh, and with the hearts. It's stretchy, but it's not stretched out. That's nice. Okay, what else we got? Ooh, got another cloth in here. What's a cloth? Oh, I don't think that was supposed to be put in there. Oh. Oh, it can be like a little jewelry bag. But it's for a glasses case. Oh, I'll use that as a jewelry bag. I'll wash that and use that as a jewelry bag. So when I mail somebody their stuff. Oh, look, we got another one of these. I had one of these in silver. I actually sold it, but then the lady never picked it up. Oh, it's got earrings with it. I've never seen earrings with it. The first time I saw these were on Margaret's channel. And this is called MOVA Fashion Jewelry, it says. Nickel and lead free. It's that kind that you can bend and shape like this. And it's just like, I told you before when I found it, it's like a fidget toy. But look, it comes with earrings. Let's look up MOVA Fashion Jewelry, shall we? Let me put you on pause and I'll come back and see if we can't find what these go for. Because I've never found them on the cart. I've never found the... Oh, cool, you can even do it with the earrings. That is awesome. I'll be right back. Okay, I couldn't find much information on it. I'll have to research more later, but there were some listings on eBay. Not very much, but it wasn't this type of jewelry. This is really cool. I like that. So let's continue. Sorry, my eye itches. I have to keep itching my eye. Oh, this little wooden bracelet has peace signs on it. Oh, look, actually they put stickers on over it. Pretty cute for a little kid. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? Ooh, that's magnetized. Oh, look, somebody... This is neat. Those almost look like... They do look like freshwater pearls. They're like glued together or strung really tight. And this is magnet. Isn't that pretty? I like green stuff. Don't those kind of look like freshwater pearls? The shape of them? I don't know if this is... Oh, it does fit me. So it is long enough. Oh, look. It does. It's a little tight. I don't want... But that's a good sellable piece. Got a lot of bracelets. A lot of people ask me for bracelets. And I don't usually have a lot, so I'm glad to be getting them. Oh, look, a little wooden adjustable ring. It's just a... Oh, quit. It's focusing on that stuff in the background. It's just wooden, see? Adjustable ring. I guess that's real wood. Yeah, it feels like it. Might be plastic. Okay, that's the first ring. I started to say, where's the rings? Okay, I'm going to get some of this out and lay it on here. I keep saying that. Oh, there's another one of the necklaces. Oh, it is. It's the same company. Bobble Bar. Cool. Put that over with the other one. We have a white one. We have a navy blue one. I keep saying I'm dumping this out and I keep picking out stuff. Sorry. Oh, I was missing a rhinestone. But that would be putting a repurpose slot. Somebody could use, either take it apart and use these other panels of it, or replace it. That's really pretty. You could always wear it with the part missing down, though, too. Okay. Whoops. I'm hitting stuff. Alright. Now, seriously, let me take some of this out. Okay, I'll pull out stuff of this pile, put it over here. You with me? Okay. A little bag of something. Looks like seed bead creations. Looks like some... Oh, let's see. Well, let's not guess. Let's just open it up and see. Oh. Oh. Bottle charms, wine glass charms. I've seen them. Oh, come on, go in there. This is a part I'll have to edit. Okay. I'll pause it. Those are definitely interesting. Somebody took the time to make those. Those will definitely sell. Okay.